Hey guys, it's Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Today we are out in Newman doing a gutter cleaning job. Have my shop back there set up, my vac hose and my gutter cleaning attachment right there. This prevents us from being safe and not having to get up on the roof, especially with this one. It's going to be those Spanish tiles. It's the ceramic ones. Very delicate. Don't want to put a lot of pressure on them, especially a human being. We don't want to potentially crack or destroy any tiles, so this way is the safest way for us, the operator, and then secondly the property owner and the roof. Just a quick little job today, probably take maybe about 30 minutes. But yeah, this is one of the little what we call garden gutters. Got a little plant growing out right there. Call them garden gutters because they're growing a garden in their gutter. The customer was stating how the water just overflows over the gutters. They aren't really spitting out water, no water's flowing through them. So you want to make sure you get those gutters cleaned, preferably every 6 months. If you can swing a year, but you're putting your property in danger from water damage. And you know, it's just nice to have clean gutters and not have to worry about anything. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we've already done a couple gutter cleanings on this channel. You understand my process. Using a shop vac with the extension pole allows me to stay up on the ground, be as safe as I possibly can while effectively cleaning these gutters. One thing I will say about gutters is those 90-degree bends where a lot of large debris tend to build up, clogging the gutters, and then having us come out and clean them. We are able to clean them very efficiently and everything just using the shop vac though. One thing I will say too about the service-based industry is you want to connect with the customers. This customer was a disabled veteran within the Navy. My dad was also in the Navy at the same time he was. He really respected my cleaning process and how meticulous I was and careful I was with the process as well. So in turn, he's going to have us come out in the summertime. So just connect with the customers on a daily basis. This is Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property.